All right, welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we are going to be logging in our user. All right. So in the last lecture, we looked at how we implemented what right. We implemented the new password system that we're going to be using. All right, with the password underscore hash function right there, and we provided a cost. All right. So let's go to our login.php, which is in the front page, the front end. And we got, I don't know what you got here by now. Some of you are having issue with the crypt functions, and some of you are not having issues and you already got it down. Some of you have tried something else. All right. But we're going to be implementing our new functionality here, which is going to be a lot easier, guys. All right. So let's go here. Let's go to home site and create a new user. I'm going to create a new user called, I don't know, Peter. Probably already have a user named Peter, since it's an easy name, peter@gmail.com, and 1 2 and 3 is a password. Register. All right, so now let's go to admin, check that user. Peter, all right, is a username. Subscribe. I'm gonna make him an admin. All right, so let's go now and implement this. So the first thing that we got to be doing here is that we don't need none of this stuff here. All right, we don't want to compare none of this stuff. What we want to do is, actually, this is gonna take me to index. So if it's not this, it's gonna take me to index. That's okay. um, all right, this is okay right now. If username not db username and password is not that, it's gonna take me to index. You know what, let's just take all this out of here and just make this if. And now take this out of here also. What I want to do is use a function called password verify. All right, and basically this is going to take two parameters. The first one is going to take the original passwords coming in here. All right, and is going to take the db password right here, and he's going to compare it. All right, and I think, yes, that's what it is. That's what it is. So if we are in, we are able to verify this and everything is working, then we can log in the user. All right, so here let's look at what we are actually selecting from the users. Right now we are selecting the username. All right, so we are selecting all users where username is this username here. All right, so it's gonna bring back the record with the name of that username that we type in that box, and then there we check for that user's name password to see um, if it's true. So this function is gonna return true or false. If it's true, we're gonna run all this script, and if it's not, then we run this script. All right, so let's save it. Let's go and try it out. Log out. We created a new user. His name was Peter, and his password was 1 2 and 3. Enter, and there we go. Beautiful, right? So let's go here and refresh, and let's see that that new Peter person, right, has a encrypted password. All right, so we can also create new users. So now every time we create a new user, we want the password to also be encrypted. So we want to include that in the add user page also. All right, so make sure that you put that functionality there. We're gonna do that in the next lecture, and if I don't do it, you already know how to do it. All right, so don't be lazy and do it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this system is a lot better than what you learned before, and if you were having issues with that one, now you are not going to have any issues. Again, you are awesome. See you in the next lectures.